Next, you're going to install a 20 by 20 return. Found the location where I'm at right there, right here. So I'm gonna go up in the attic right now, and I'll show you guys the way I'm gonna do it. Okay, what I did is I got a cardboard and I cut it at 20 1/4 by 20 1/4. Filter grill's at 20 by 20. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a nail in that end, nail on the other end, all the way around on the 4 corners. I'm gonna go inside on the ceiling and I'm gonna get a level and I'm gonna mark it on out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it on out. I'll keep you up. Okay guys, I came on down here. I put the nails through. What I did is I got the level right here. I put it up against the nails and I got my pencil and I scribed out where I'm gonna cut. Now I'm gonna pop the nails through and I'm gonna cut it on out. I'm all done installing the 20 by 20. What I did is I put nails on the ends to hold it in place. Here's a 20-inch filter grill, 20 by 20. Of course, I'm gonna stick the screws in here and here. We'll install some Hvac tape. Seal the joints all around. Lay it down with the mastic tape or Hvac tape. Now I'm going to install the filter grill. You can pull it down with the filter grill. Screw them all together. Just hang this up. Here's the end product.